Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a second Gmail account. So I have one already right here. If you want to create a second one, just come here and click on add account. So click on your profile icon at the top right, and then click on add account. Now, right here, you will see the sign in option. What you need to just do is come and click on create an account. You can do either personal use for my child or work or business. So I'll do personal use right here, and I'll just go ahead and name this Will Smith. Go ahead and go next. All right. Birthday, we'll make this April 1st, 2000. All right. Gender, I'll do male. You can choose other options if you would like to go ahead and do that. And now choose a username. So we'll try this one out. Hopefully this one works. We'll just go ahead and press on next. Let's see. Okay, that one is available. Now I need to choose a strong password. Make sure it is a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. There we go. We have done that. Now we'll go ahead and press on and next. Right here, now we need to confirm that we are not a robot. So Google will verify via an SMS. So I'll go ahead and input my phone number. All right, so put in my phone number, and now they've sent me a verification code. I'll just go ahead and put this in right here and press on next. All right, now if you want, you can add a recovery email as well. I'll go ahead and do that. This is better for security, in case you have unauthorized access to your account. You can recover your account this way and protect yourself. I'll choose this as my recovery email address and come and press on next. This is okay. I'll come here, press on next, review terms and service. I'll just click on I agree. And then you will see that will redirect me to my new Gmail account. All right, so this is user 1 inbox right here. This is user 0. This is the original user. As you can see, let me show you. This is the email address for William Hunter. And then this one is William Smith. So if I hover over here, you'll see this is Will Smith. And this is William Hunter. Really that easy and simple.